Hello students, welcome to SKITRE. Today I am going to show you how to use our email writing dojo. First of all, let's consider you all have already purchased our email writing dojo. So go to practice tools. Here you can find our email writing dojo. Here then click on view button. As we click on view button, it will navigate us to the instructive page. Here some instructions are given for how to use this particular dojo. Read all those instructions carefully, then click on start button. As we click on start button, here some categories are enlisted. Here you can choose any category you want to practice. For example, feedback email. Then in that particular category, here one scenario is given. Select that particular scenario.
Your role. You are new.
Here some Here some information given about this particular scenario, in which condition or situation you have to write a feedback email. So read all this information carefully. Either you can listen to that audio clip, then click on continue button. As we click on continue button, here we got some fields as there in our email. Here scenario description also provided here, and also practice answer PDF provided. Here you can use this PDF as a reference while writing this particular email. So fill that fields with required data. For example, I'm only writing here test. Here you can enlist the data as required. As we fill all the required data, click on submit button. As we click on submit button, then click on save button after reconfirming. Here we go. Thank you.